So I'm going to show you how to find the slope of a line today using the graph. And in order to find the slope of a line, we need to know two things, the rise and the run. The rise tells us how much up or down we're going along the line, and the run tells us how much to the right we're moving along the line. So we need to start with 2 points. Here's the 2 points we're starting with, and we need their coordinates. So to find the slope, we need to figure out, moving from left to right, how much we have to move. So from left to right, we have to go up and right. Now to find the rise and the run, we need to know how much up and how much right. And we can't just count the squares. We need to use the scale that's given to us. And to do that, we can either look on the y-axis to figure out, oh, it's going from 10 to 30. So going from 10 to 30, it's going up 20. Or you could look at their coordinates. Notice the y-coordinate is 10 here, and the y-coordinate here is 30, so it's going from 10 to 30, so it went up 20. Similarly, for the run, we're going from 2 to 6, which you can see on the x-axis, or you can see in the coordinates, 2 to 6. So if it went from 2 to 6, that means it increased by 4. So our run is 4. But now that we have those two numbers, we can find the slope. We know the rise is 20. We know the run is 4, so the slope is 20 over 4. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So we say the line has a slope of 5. For the second example over here, notice our line is going down and to the right. That's going to affect our slope, but it's not going to affect how we find the slope. We're still going to find it the same way. Find 2 points, get the coordinates, and moving from left to right, we have to figure out how much the rise and the run is. And notice, from going from left to right, we have to go down and to the right. Now again, we can't just count squares. Even though it's going down 1 square, it's going from -10 to -15. That means it went down 5. So our rise is -5. The run is going from 4 to 6. So that means the run is 2. So our slope is -5 over 2. And this does not come out as a whole number, so let's leave it as a fraction. It's going to be -5/2. And that's the slope of this line. Notice the slope of the line that goes up and to the right is positive. The slope that's going down and to the right is negative.